Open up your browser and search for Groww. Now, click on the very first website and sign into your account. But if you don't want to do that, you can just continue without logging in and follow the same procedure. Now, click on the three dots at top right corner of your screen and go to the Save and Share option. Inside it, click on the Create Shortcut feature and a pop-up will appear on your screen. In this pop-up, remove all the words except Groww and make sure to check mark the Open as Window option. Now, click on the Create button and Groww App will open up in a new tab. After that, go back to the home screen of your device and you can see that the Groww App shortcut has been created successfully. As you know, we have created a shortcut of the official website and it doesn't have the official icon. It means that we will need to change the icon. So, in order to make it look official, you can download the official app icon from Google. But as I have already downloaded it, I will show you the rest of the steps. First, right-click on the Groww App shortcut and then click on Properties. Now, click on Change Icon button and then put the official Groww App icon. After that, click on OK and you can see that the Groww App icon has been changed.